Right, welcome back. You're watching Hot Stocks on CNBC Africa, and remember, we are discussing the iron ore sector, which is pretty interesting, a bit of a bombed out environment at the moment. Quickly, next up, we're going to talk about African Rainbow Minerals, because remember, this one owns the other 50% of Assmang, which is the iron ore mining operation principally out in the Northern Cape. But it does have a few other interesting assets. It has platinum, which is the Two Rivers asset. It also has an asset in the Mpumalanga area called Nkomati, which is a nickel and platinum metals producer. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Interesting ore body. Remember, this one is headed up by Executive Chairman Patrice Motsepe. That always makes it interesting. He's a colorful and interesting guy. One final asset that it does have, which is worth mentioning, is a fairly chunky stake in Harmony Gold, although that has not done it any favors whatsoever. And to some extent, that clouds its results because you see it coming through and taking asset write-downs on that stake. Market cap of this one, 21.5 billion rand. Price earnings ratio, 7.67. Dividend yield 5.95. Anything specific or different to add?
They are more diversified, obviously, than Kumba, but iron ore is still big in their lives. I mean, and they partners with everyone.
Yeah.
They're in partnerships right across the whole field. A little bit illiquid, the share, but I mean, it doesn't really matter for small portfolios, but it's not a well-traded shares. Now, lots of guys over the years have really liked this one because of the diversification. But this Harmony thing, I mean, I think, well, what did they take a write-down of? 200, 300 million write-down on Harmony. It's just been an unmitigated disaster. Harmony, I think, had a 700 million rand loss the last time period. It's just not, it's not a good investment.
It's a non-controlled subsidiary stake or associate or whatever it is. So in other words, as it goes down, they have to mark that through.
Mark the shares
down. If it gets any worse, Harmony
is
going to be a small cap.
Harmony will be a small cap. But yeah, look, exactly the same as what we've been talking about the whole time.
And the same chart pattern we saw there, pretty rough, but potentially getting to be value at some point, but it does need some sort of catalyst in the market, which you're not seeing imminently. So we're going to go with not hot on this one as well. Okay.